This is Cyber Explore, your trusted source for the latest in technology, finance, health, and modern lifestyle trends. What if I told you the path to financial freedom might depend on just one decision? Not how hard you work, not even how much you earn, but where you choose to invest, property or stocks. It's a debate that has shaped fortunes, built empires, and changed lives. So which one is better? Today, we're diving deep into 5 reasons why property investment can outperform stocks, and I'll also share 3 reasons why stocks might be smarter. By the end of this video, you won't just understand investing better. You'll start seeing your future differently. Let's begin. Why property investment can be more powerful. 1. Property gives you tangible, real-world value. When you invest in property, you own something real. You can see it. You can touch it. You can walk through it. It's not just numbers on a screen, it's a physical asset. And that matters more than you think. In uncertain times, when markets crash and volatility spikes, tangible assets tend to provide a sense of stability. A house doesn't disappear overnight. Even during downturns, people still need places to live. Stocks can drop 30% in days. Property values? Typically far more stable. 2. Rental income creates passive cash flow. Stocks may grow in value, but property can pay you every single month. Tenants pay rent. That rent can cover your mortgage. And over time it becomes profit. You're earning while you wait. Imagine waking up knowing your investment is paying you, whether you're working, traveling, or sleeping. That's building a life. 3. Long-term stability and wealth building. Property has one major advantage: consistency. Population grows. Demand for housing increases. Land supply is limited. It's simple economics. Property is like planting a tree. It grows slowly, but one day it becomes something strong, stable, and life-changing. But no investment is perfect. While property has powerful benefits, stocks bring unique strengths that can't be ignored. 1. Stocks offer high liquidity and flexibility. This is where stocks win. You can buy or sell in seconds. Need cash? You can access your money almost instantly. Property? It can take weeks, even months to sell. Too lower barrier to entry. Property isn't cheap. You need a deposit, good credit, and maintenance costs. Stocks? You can start with very little, even a few pounds or dollars. That makes stocks incredibly accessible for beginners. 3. Diversification is easier. With property, your investment is concentrated. But with stocks, you can spread your risk. So, property or stocks? The truth is, it's not about which one is better. It's about which one is better for you. The smartest investors use both. They use stocks for growth and property for stability. Together, they build something powerful. Your financial future is shaped by decisions. Small, smart, consistent decisions. Whether you start with property or stocks, just start.